London, Reuters, oil prices eased on Tuesday after hitting mid-2015 highs in early trading, as major pipelines in Libya and the UK restarted and US production soared to the highest in more than 4 decades. It was the first time since January 2014 that the two crude oil benchmarks opened the year above $60 per barrel, buoyed by large anti-government rallies in Iran and ongoing supply cuts led by OPEC and Russia. U.S. West Texas Intermediate, WTI, crude futures CLC1 traded 20 cents lower at around $60.22 a barrel by 11:34 a.m. EST, 16:34 GMT. In early trading, WTI hit $60.74, the highest since June 2015. Brent crude futures LCOC1, the international benchmark, were down 53 cents, or 0.8% at $66.34 a barrel. The session high of $67.29 was the highest since May 2015. The spread between U.S. crude and Brent WTC LC1 hit the narrowest in nearly 2 weeks. The 450,000 barrel per day, BPD, capacity Forties pipeline system in the North Sea returned to full operations on December 30 after an unplanned shutdown. Repairs have been finished on a Libyan oil pipeline damaged in a suspected attack last week and production is restarting gradually, engineers said. A Euro-ETH resolution of the North Sea pipeline issue is having the expected result that the Brent WTI spread is narrowing today. A Euro David Thompson, Executive Vice President at Powerhouse, an energy-specialized commodities broker in Washington. Thompson added that traders have been returning to work from the holidays, boosting volumes. A Euro despite the DIA Euro trademark S price weakness, both Brent and WTI remain in solid, long-term bullish trends. $58.95 is nearby support on WTI front-month futures and $65.60 is the corresponding support on front-month Brent futures. A Euro Thompson said. Iran. A Euro trademark S supreme leader on Tuesday accused the country, a Euro trademark S enemies, of stirring unrest, as the death toll rose to 21 from anti-government demonstrations that began last week. NL8N1 OX0XY. Iran is OPEC Euro trademark S third largest crude producer. Iranian oil industry and shipping sources said protests have had no impact so far on oil production or exports. A Euro geopolitical risks are clearly back on the crude oil agenda after having been absent almost entirely since the oil market ran into a surplus in the second half of 2014. A Euro Bjarne Schieldrop, chief commodities analyst at SEB, said, also citing Kurdistan and Libya. Oil markets have been supported by a year of production cuts led by the Middle East-dominated Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries and Russia. The cuts started in January 2017 and are scheduled to cover all of 2018. U.S. commercial crude oil inventories have fallen by almost 20% from their historic highs last March, to 431.9 million barrels. Strong demand growth, especially from China, has also been supporting crude. However, rising U.S. production, which is on the verge of breaking through 10 million BPD, has tempered the bullish outlook. A Euro. We think U.S. tight oil production growth warrants close monitoring as it could spoil OPEC Euro trademark S market balancing efforts, pushing the market into surplus in 2018. A Euro Barclays Bank said. October U.S. crude production rose 167,000 barrels per day to 9.64 million BPD, according to the EIA Euro trademark S monthly production report. If the figure is not revised next month, it would be the highest monthly level since May 1971. For a graphic on oil price January opening values, click root.r/2c8eegp. For a graphic on U.S. oil production, drilling, and storage levels, click root.r/2c706hj.